NCERT solutions at your fingertips. Today we are going to do question answers of chapter 16 Water, a Precious Resource, class 7th, Science. The main topics of this chapter are how much water is available, forms of water, groundwater, depletion of water table, distribution of water, and water management. Most of these topics are covered in the question answer section. So let's begin with the question answers. Question number 1. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. A. The fresh water stored in the ground is much more than present in the rivers and lakes of the world. True. B. Water shortage is a problem faced only by the people living in the rural areas. The statement is false. C. Water from rivers is the only source for irrigation in the fields. The statement is false. D. Rain is the ultimate source of water. The statement is true. Question number 2. Explain how groundwater is recharged. Answer. The rainwater and the water from other sources such as rivers and ponds seeps through the soil and fills the empty spaces and cracks deep below the ground. The process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. The groundwater thus gets recharged by this process. Question number 3. There are 10 tube wells in a lane of 50 houses. What would be the long-term impact on the water table? Answer. If the people of 50 houses use the 10 tube wells for a long time, then due to continuous drawing of water by tube wells at a particular place and the water table not being replenished would ultimately lead to depletion of water table. Question number 4. You have been asked to maintain a garden. How will you minimize the use of water? Steps to minimize the wastage of water. I will use the drip irrigation method. In this method, water falls drop by drop at the position of the roots. Water is not wasted at all. I will check and stop the leakage in the water pipes if any. I will collect rainwater in pits and reuse this water for gardening. I will water plants in the evening when it's cooler to reduce evaporation. Question number 5. Explain the factors responsible for the depletion of water table. Answer. The levels of underground water is getting depleted because excess water is drawn out and is not being replenished at the same rate. The factors responsible for the depletion of water table are: number 1. Increasing population. Increasing population creates demand for construction of houses, shops, office, roads and pavements. This decreases the open area like parks and playgrounds. Thus more and more land is being covered with the concrete, due to which effective area of seepage of rainwater into the ground decreases and hence result in the depletion of water table. Number 2. Increasing industries. With increasing population, the number of industries is increasing continuously. All industries require water somewhere in its production process. Groundwater is the main source of water for most of the industries. This also results in lowering of the water table. Number 3. Agricultural activities. A majority of farmers in India depends upon rains for irrigating their crops. Irrigation systems such as canals are there only in a few places. Therefore, farmers have to use underground water for irrigation. Population pressure on agriculture forces increases use the groundwater day by day. This results in depletion of water table. Number 4. Deforestation. Forest helps in bringing rain. Due to excessive deforestation, many areas suffer from lack of rainfall. Deforestation also leads to decrease in effective area of seepage of water, which ultimately leads to depletion of water table. Number 5. Scanty rainfall. Due to scanty rainfall, less water seeps into the ground. On the other hand, due to shortage of water, much more groundwater is drawn out by the people for their needs. This results in depletion of water table. Question number 6. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate answer. A. People obtain groundwater through dash and dash. Answer is wells and hand pumps. B. 3 forms of water are dash, dash and dash. Answer is solid, liquid and gas. C. The water-bearing layer of the earth is aquifer. D. The process of water seepage into the ground is called infiltration. Question number 7. Which one of the following is not responsible for water shortage? Number 1. Rapid growth of industries. Number 2. Increasing population. Number 3. Heavy rainfall. Number 4. Mismanagement of water resources. And the correct answer is number 3. Heavy rainfall. Question number 8. Choose the correct option. The total water, number 1, in the lakes and rivers of the world remains constant. Number 2, under the ground remains constant. Number 3, in the seas and ocean of the world remains constant. Number 4, of the world remains constant. And the correct answer is number 4, of the world remains constant. Question number 9. Make a sketch showing groundwater and water table. Label it. Answer. A labeled sketch of groundwater and water table is shown on the screen. So, these were the question answers of this chapter. Thanks for watching this video till end.